In this video, we're going to go over two JQuery methods, the HTML method and the text method. As you can see here, the HTML method treats content as HTML, and the text method treats the content as text. Actually, they do something very similar, but there is a big difference. And again, it's the HTML method treating the content as HTML. So both of these methods update content, they just do it a little bit differently. And I'll explain that in this video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the first line of code here. And as you can see, we're going to use the HTML method. We've got the P selector, so we're going to select all the paragraph tags. And then we're going to go ahead and change the text to tabby cats. And you'll see here, because this is HTML, this is an HTML method, we have to use the paragraph tag. And so that's what will be submitted, not just the text, but also the paragraph tag, and that is the HTML portion of this method. So all of these paragraph tags in here should have their text changed to tabby cats. So let's go ahead and save this, and we'll go ahead and run this in Chrome, and we'll hit our submit button, and there you can see all the paragraphs now have tabby cats. Now let's go ahead and switch this to the text method. Now, again, this text now will not be treated as HTML, so we have to get rid of the paragraph tags. And so we'll do that, and let's hit save. And actually, let's go ahead and just relaunch our page here. And if we hit the submit button, everything's changed to tabby cats. Now, again, you might be confused as to what's the difference between the text method and the HTML method. Well, let's go ahead and switch this back to HTML. But before we do that, let's actually keep this as an example for you. So we'll just put a comment down here. So let's go ahead and switch this back to HTML. Now, instead of submitting a paragraph tag, let's submit an H2 tag. And now hopefully this will be a lot clearer. So let's go ahead and save this. We'll refresh our page. And if we hit the submit button, look, these are now H2 elements. See how that works? This submits whatever HTML tag you want to submit. So we selected all the paragraph tags, basically converted them to H2 element tags with, of course, the text tabby cats. So that's the big difference between the HTML method and the text method. And let's go ahead and save this as an example for you. So I'll put this as a comment down here. Now let's actually switch these back to paragraphs. So we'll just use the text method. And we'll get rid of the H2 element tags here. We'll go ahead and save this. We'll refresh our page. And now these are back to paragraph elements. And we've just changed the text. That's all we've done. Now, you'll notice up here, I've added this empty H2 element. You can actually use these methods to deliver text as well. So we can actually deliver text to this H2 element. And let's do that using the text method. So let's go ahead and put in H2 here. So we're going to select our empty H2 element. And let's put some different text in here. So we'll say something like, give the H2 some text. And let's go ahead and save this. Let's refresh our page. Of course, this is back now to the original text. We'll go ahead and hit our button. And there, look, our H2 element now has some text. Take a look at that. So that's how these two methods work. See you guys in the next video.